Hey guys, I'm Hassan Abdul Rahman, second gen owner of Pondok Abang. Alright guys, today we are here at the famous area of frozen food products located at 374 Bukit Batok Street 31, unit number 01214. Today guys, I'm going to share with you one new product that we have recently launched. Literally, we just sent over the stocks about 2 days ago. Okay guys, this product is very suitable for you to bring all over the world guys. And we developed this product specifically for those who are living overseas and those who are craving for our beef lung. Okay guys, although we cannot send the actual frozen beef lung to you, but right now we are able to send you the spice. Okay guys, the rempah mix for you to cook your own beef lungs wherever you are in this world. Okay guys, come, let me show you where you can get it. So guys, it is exclusively available here now at our frozen mart. Come, let me show you where you can grab it. So guys, this is the new product that I've been talking about just now. So how do you use it? Okay guys, it's very simple. This contains all that is required for you to do your deep frying. Okay guys, you can use it for your beef product, you can use it for your chicken product, you can put it on your mutton, your fish, whatever that you want to fry. Okay guys, example, chicken wing, a raw chicken wing. Okay, after you have washed, you clean up the chicken wing, you can rub your chicken wing with this serbuk. Okay guys, after rubbing it, the best is of course you put it inside the chiller to let it rest. Okay, to marinate it 1 hour 2 hours before you fry it. Or if you want to add on, you know, other like flour, breadcrumbs to make it much more crispy, you can do that also before you fry it. If you are craving for our beef lung, say if you are in Brunei example, or the Bruneians, you guys have been craving for hati buya from Pondok Abang, right? So obviously it's very difficult to get it there, but what you can do is you can drop us a WhatsApp at 62658300. Okay guys, inform us that you are interested in this spice. Okay guys, and what we can do is we can pack it and we can courier it to you guys. Okay, so what is the shelf life, how long it can last? It's for 1 year from the date of the manufacturing. So what are the ingredients? It contains coriander, chili, cumin, fennel, turmeric, white pepper, cinnamon, black pepper, cardamom, star anise, nutmeg, bay leaves, cloves and salt. So you do not need to add on any more salt unless you want to have an elevated taste. You can add a bit more salt. Okay guys, so take note that this product contains nuts and traces of MSG, and the best use of course is for fish, chicken, beef and mutton. So how much is it? It is 360. Okay guys, right now it is available exclusively at our frozen mart. So we look forward to receiving you guys here at our frozen mart if you are in Singapore. And if you are overseas and craving for ayam goreng berempah, beef lung of Pondok Abang, so connect with us. We look forward to serving you authentic Malay food made traditionally. The best authentic Malay food made traditionally.